के बीच का एक पड़ाव है चुनाव, या फिर यह कहें कि एक साधारण नागरिक के शासन की हिस्सेदारी का भाव है चुनाव। Myself Sachin Kumar Sharma from District Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. Elections, ladies and gentlemen, are the foundation of a functioning democracy that ensure that the government is representative and responsive to the people of the country. But what if the same elections become an obstacle in the pathway of development of the same democracy? Let me elaborate. Here we are discussing about the growth of elections as development of elections in various forms, like one nation, one election, and how it can pave the way for a Viksit Bharat. But what actually Viksit Bharat is? A large economy, world-class infrastructure, leader in research and innovation, excellent law and order, Atmanirbharta in all aspects, or a strong sense of unity amongst people. Ladies and gentlemen, all of it. But let's be honest, what kind of economic efficiency we are showing when we are spending millions multiple times for the same electoral procedure? How can we expect our leaders to focus on infrastructural developments when they are busy campaigning for the elections for almost half of their tenure and forget about the research and innovation? You talk about law and order. How can the law and order be improved while our security forces are repeatedly deployed in election duties multiple times? And which sense of unity are we talking about when we cannot hold one simultaneous election in one nation? Frequent elections disrupt governance. Meanwhile, constant campaigning and implementation of model code of conduct turning into a phase of complete stagnancy in the pathway of trajectory of India's growth. Holding simultaneous elections enables our leaders to focus on long-term project frameworks and also development initiatives rather than short-term political gains. Ladies and gentlemen, it is us who has to decide that whether one nation, one election is helpful to us, will ensure better governance and help us decide for a longer future, or we wish to be stuck in the same constant cycle of perpetual elections. Ladies and gentlemen, I here agree that there can be a variety of opinions, but it needs constructive discourse. It does not need to be unanimously regarded one nation, one election as unconstitutional, because it would be same as calling the period of 1952 to 1967 as unconstitutional, and I call it complete absurd. I would end my say with these lines कि लोकतंत्र का महोत्सव कहलाता था मैं, कैसे आ गया मेरे भीतर इतना बदलाव? राष्ट्र को एक नई दिशा देना था ना मेरा काम, कैसे बन गया मैं राष्ट्र के विकास में एक रुकाव? विकसित भारत के लिए आवश्यक है चुनाव प्रणाली में महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव। जब एक ही है राष्ट्र तो क्यों ना हो एक ही चुनाव। जय हिंद।